Hello, and thank you for taking a few minutes of your time to watch this video. You're about to learn of an exciting breakthrough natural product that's getting astonishing results for people who are suffering from painful symptoms caused by inflammation in the body. The remarkable stories and testimonies in this program demonstrate the power of what can happen when you help the body reduce chronic inflammation. Before we tell you about this wonderful product, I'd like to give you some brief history on our company. Trivita, founded in 1999, has been a premier leader in the wellness industry. You may have even heard of us before through our TV and radio advertisements offering unique wellness products you can't buy in most retail stores. Over the last 10 years, our products have made over 250,000 TV and radio appearances and have become a loyal and trusted brand for many. We've also created a growing and prosperous affiliate member community who have benefited financially by participating in our co-op media advertising opportunity. This unique business model has produced a multitude of successful Trivita business owners who are enjoying the rewards of a steady business even in a down economy. What you are about to see is a segment of our new TV program debuting our powerful new anti-inflammatory, ready-to-drink concentrate called Nopalea. Inflammation is being called the secret killer, and pain management is a rapidly growing $50 billion industry. Every day, thousands of people are discovering the amazing benefits of Nopalea and sharing it with others. I encourage you to watch this 10-minute video and to take the Nopalea Wellness Challenge. And at the end of your challenge, if you've experienced the same wellness benefits so many others have, we'd like to invite you to become an affiliate member with our company. Through our media campaigns, we're attracting thousands of people who want to experience greater wellness, but also want to experience greater wealth. If you're interested after watching this program and completing the Wellness Challenge, please get back with the person who sent you this video to find out how you can have greater wellness and greater wealth with Nopalea.
Inflammation is the #1 problem we face in North America. Interestingly, everything from allergies and Alzheimer's disease to heart disease and diabetes are related to inflammation. We need nutrients every day to help wash away all the toxins that create inflammation. Over 200 articles published and archived at the National Institutes of Health demonstrate one thing: the Nopal cactus superfruit will reduce inflammation.
5 weeks ago, my wife Pam introduced me to Nopalea, and it's amazing. The inflammation is gone, the pain has ceased, and I have flexibility in my ankle. Pretty neat. I would recommend Nopalea to anyone that has problems with inflammation or pain. I can tell you, I'm just a true believer.
I watched my wife's wellness experience with Nopalea, and I was amazed. So I said, you know, one of the most important things as a cyclist is your recovery. And so I took this product to see if it can help me recover faster, and it did. I recovered faster. I was able to come back with my workouts quicker, stronger, with more intensity. And now I've been able to take this product and share it with my cycling team.
Well, I've had continuous daily pain in my left arm. And when I would drive my vehicle, I could barely hold onto the steering wheel. It was getting that bad. I couldn't sleep at night on my left side. And after a week and a half on Nopalea, consistently, I can now lay on my left side when I sleep. I can use my steering wheel with all the muscle that I need to use it for. And so for me personally, I've been healed of pain. The pain's gone.
Nopalea is delicious tasting and naturally sweetened with pure agave syrup and has only 12 calories per serving. And because Nopalea is bottled in a state-of-the-art aseptic facility, it contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Just fresh, pure Nopal cactus juice in a ready-to-drink liquid concentrate.
The wellness benefits and demand for Nopalea have already gone far beyond anything we could have imagined. And with it comes an incredible opportunity for you, not just to feel better, but to increase your income, find financial security, and live with purpose, simply by sharing Nopalea and its amazing wellness story with other people.
When you have a product like Nopalea that delivers such amazing results in a very quick period of time, the demand for that product is going to create an enormous business opportunity. And that's what we have with Nopalea.
With the Nopalea product, they pay us on a weekly basis. It's one of the highest payouts in the industry. We've seen a big boost in our income and our business since the release of this product.
Trivita makes it so easy. The business plan is easy, the support is easy, and there's always someone there to help you and answer your questions and cheer you on.
I think Trivita is a wonderful company. They've got a very, very good plan. They've got wonderful support systems at the head office. I have to say that they're very patient people. They're very friendly people. I love their compensation plan. I love their products.
I feel very confident aligning myself with a company like Trivita. I met Michael Ellison a couple of months ago, and I was very impressed with his feelings about what he wants to do for others, his passion for wellness, his desire to bring wellness into everyone's life. And I felt like this was something I could do, but better than that, it's something anyone can do.
What I love about Trivita is that you don't have all of the traditional hassles and headaches that you would have with a more traditional business. With Trivita, there's no stocking product, there's no shipping product. In fact, the company does a lot of that stuff for us. They actually direct mail to our customers on the back end. They take care of a lot of the day-to-day details that you would expect to find if you're going into business. Also, it doesn't take special skill sets and education to build this business. Anybody can do it. You just simply plug into Trivita's system and the system will work.
One thing about Nopalea is when people try it, it works for them, they reorder, and then that drives my business.
Trivita, the makers of Nopalea, offers an affiliate member program that rewards its members for referring Nopalea with others. This special program is no cost to join, and there are no obligations to refer or sell Nopalea to others. However, because Nopalea is such an effective product that gets results, many people like you like to share it with friends and family. As a Trivita affiliate member, we will pay you when you refer Nopalea to someone in the form of a Trivita Visa prepaid debit card. Simply refer Nopalea to someone, and when they purchase, we will deposit a generous referral commission into your Trivita Visa debit card. This debit card works like any other debit card and can be used anywhere the Visa card is accepted. Again, there are no fees or costs to join, and referring Nopalea is totally optional.
We're looking for people who want to experience wellness and share their experience with others while enjoying generous financial rewards. Because Nopalea delivers a wellness experience, the demand creates an incredible income opportunity. Discover all the exciting details by calling now and see how our affiliate program can create steady income and open up a world of possibilities for you and your family.